Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala. Let us discuss today a very interesting remedy. I'll discuss today arsenic album, but only the anger of arsenic album. We have seen a lot of other symptoms of arsenic album mind, like a lot of anguish, a lot of restlessness, a lot of fear, a lot of anticipation and anxiety. But today let us discuss about the anger of arsenic album. As you all know that arsenic is a very fastidious remedy, and that's why arsenic patient becomes angry over his mistake. This is a very interesting symptom, angry over his mistakes. He basically sets standards so high that he feels that whatever he does should be perfect and good. That's why whenever he does a mistake, there is a lot of anger, and arsenic is written anger over his mistakes. With this symptom, you have to compare a few remedies like nitric acid, stephysagria, sulfur, which has this type of anger. And in arsenic album, it goes one step ahead, that his anger on himself. He's anger on himself because he feels that he could have done better in life, better work, better project, but still could not do. That's why the patient has anger on himself. Now, how is the anger shown? When there is an anger, an arsenic patient, you can see on the face of the color becomes pale and livid, pale and livid. Compare this with two remedies, again important, stephysagria and natriumur. As you go further, arsenic album anger, it's written that anger easily on trifles. हर छोटी बात पे गुस्सा हो जाता है because he wants to do everything very nicely. Okay, and you must understand when is the anger most in arsenic album. Whenever the patient wakes up in the morning, there is a lot of anger. So anger in the morning on waking up is a very important symptom of anger of arsenic album. Compare this with 2-3 remedies like kali carb, lycopodium, phosphorus, petroleum. These remedies also has anger when they get up in the morning. Arsenic album basically, he feels that he knows everything and he is doing everything right. So whenever you force an arsenic album patient to give you some answers, do this, do that, there is anger. And it is beautifully mentioned in a Mater Medica, anger when obliged to answer. This is again an important symptom of arsenic album. Compare this symptom with Nux vomica, phosphoric acid, and Arnica montana. So these are the very important symptoms of arsenic album. Anger, only little anger. And in arsenic album, one thing also is important, anger recovery if spoke of a complaint. Now this is again a very important symptom of arsenic album that you have to remember, because see, you remember the main symptom, the restlessness, the anxiety, the anticipation, but the anger also is again very important. In fact, as written in the Mater Medica, anger with himself the whole day. He's so angry, the whole day is angry, and that's the anger of arsenic album. And one symptom before we close this anger, that the anger about pain. Whenever there is pain anywhere in the body and the patient shows lot of anger, then also you have to think about arsenic album. So whenever there is anger with pain or anger pain about, then you have to think of arsenic album. Compare this symptom with coffea cruda, cholesynthesis, and Nux vomica. So I am just telling you today the anger symptoms of arsenic album. Of course, arsenic album has thousands of symptoms and hundreds of symptoms of related to mind, but these symptoms of anger, which I have seen in my clinical practice and I have used them in prescription, have given me very good results. So this is in short something in relation to anger of arsenic album. My dear friends, if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.